So now let's talk a little bit about texture. Texture is the size of each individual strand, not to be confused with density, which is how much hair we have on our head. So how are we going to determine texture? It's really important for me as a colorist to close down one of my senses so that I can determine the individual size of each strand of hair. And I do that by using my fingers, but having to close my eyes to really see it and feel it. Here's how it looks. You're going to take an individual strand, pick it up, and then close down your eyes and feel it in your hand by rolling it back and forth. When you roll it back and forth, if you can feel it, it's pretty much going to be average hair. If you can't feel it, that's going to move it into the finer side of hair. But if you can really feel it, that means you've probably got somebody who has coarse hair. The great thing about that now is you know what to do with your processing time, your choice of product, as well as your timing. When it comes to texture, you want to feel two different areas on your head or your client's head so that you can feel the difference between the front and the back. Now it's time for you to do a project. If you're at home, you're going to do this on yourself. If you're at the school, I want you to grab a partner. And when you're at the salon, you should do this on all of your clients so that you know what to do for processing time as well as what products to choose. You're going to feel right at the temple on yourself or your client, and then you're going to feel at the back of the head. Remember, it's just one individual strand to feel the texture of somebody's hair. Roll it between your fingers while you shut your eyes to determine the texture from the front to the back.